moving on to the next question, question number 3. Write all the integers between number 1, 3 and 10. So, if you draw a number line, you see 3 is here and 10 is here. So, all the integers that lies between 3 and 10, between 3 and 10, you can see 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So these numbers you have to write here. The numbers, the integers that are lying between these two numbers, you have to write those numbers in the answer. So the integers between 3 and 10 are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now question number 2, minus 3 and 6. So the integers lying between minus 3 and 6. First you have to locate where minus 3 and 6 is. So here is minus 3 and this one is 6. So whichever integer is lying between these numbers, you have to write this here. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So all these numbers lie between minus 3 and 6. Now minus 7 and 0. So minus 7 and 0. So the integers are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Now minus 12 and minus 8. So this is minus 12, minus 8. So the integers are minus 11, minus 10, minus 9. Minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. Question number 4. Write 7 integers each greater than minus 6. See, if you look at the number line, the integers which are greater than minus 6 will appear on the right side of minus 6. So all these integers are greater than minus 6 and this will go on. You can use any numbers after 8 also. So the integers greater than minus 6 are, you can write any 7 numbers out of these. So I have written 5, minus 4, 0, 1, 3, 6, 7. You can write any of the 7 numbers starting from minus 5 and including all the positive integers. Now question number 5. Fill in the blanks by using greater than or less than or equal to sign in each of the following. So the first question is minus 5 and minus 5 and 3. So we are comparing two numbers here. One is a negative number and the other one is a positive number. We know that positive number is greater than negative number. So we will put a greater than sign here for 3. So minus 5 is less than 3. Number 2, 0 and minus 4. We know that 0 is greater than any negative number. So 0 will be greater than minus 4. Now look at number 3. Minus 8 and minus 14. These two are, both are negative numbers. Now for negative numbers, see here. As I have said that any number, if you pick any two negative numbers, the one which is on the right side will be the greater number. So if you pick minus 5 and minus 2, which one is the greater number out of these two? Minus 5 or minus 2? Here minus 2 will be the greater number. So that is why if you choose minus 8 and minus 14, out of these two, minus 8 will be the greater number. So minus 8 is greater than minus 14. In the same way, minus 23 and minus 16, the number minus 16 will be greater than minus 23. So minus 23 is less than minus 16. 15 and minus 15, since 15 is a positive integer and minus 15 is a negative one, so positive integer is always greater than negative integer. So 15 is greater than minus 15. Minus 1 and minus 12, again here minus 1 will be greater than minus 12 because minus 1 will appear on the right side of minus 12. Minus 12 will be somewhere here after minus 6 and minus 1 is on this side. So minus 1 is on the, since minus 1 is on the right side, that is why minus 1 is greater. 9 and minus 1. 9 is a positive number, minus 1 is a negative number. Positive number is always greater than negative number. So 9 is greater than minus 1. Now minus 9 and 1. Minus 9 will be somewhere here and 1 is here. So 1 is on the right side, that is why 1 is the greater number. Minus 9 and minus 1. Again minus 9 will be somewhere here after minus 6 and minus 1 is here. Again minus 1 is on the right side, that is why minus 1 is greater than minus 9. Now let us look at number 6. Evaluate each of the following. See here, this sign means absolute value. Now what is an absolute value? Absolute value means anything which is written, any number which is written inside this sign, inside the absolute value sign. Here the negative number, irrespective of its sign, we have to take out the positive number. We just have to write the number numeral form outside this absolute value. So even if that number has a negative sign, only the positive value will be here. And if it has a positive sign, only that value will be here. So simply we have to remove the negative sign from this number if it contains any negative sign. So we just have to write the number as it is, and the sign which is there in between these two numbers will remain the same. And then we have to solve this. So let us start. Question number 1. Absolute value of minus 17 minus absolute value of 8. Now absolute value of minus 17. Since this is a negative number, we will remove the negative sign and we will take out the numeral form of this number, that is 17. So this becomes 17. Minus sign will again come here, and this is absolute value of 8 is 8. Because this is a positive number, so it will come out as it is. 17 minus 8 is 9. Now question number 2. Absolute value of minus 14 plus absolute value of 5. Now again absolute value of minus 14. Since minus 14 is a negative number, minus sign will be removed. So 14 plus, and this is a positive number, so 5 will come as it is. So 14 plus 5 is equal to 19. Now if you look at number 3 and 4, these are similar to these numbers, similar sums, similar to these questions. So we will move to question number 5. Absolute value of minus 8 plus absolute value of minus 6 minus absolute value of minus 10. See here, all these numbers are negative numbers. So we will take out all the numbers and we will remove the negative sign. So this becomes 8, this becomes 6, and this is 10. And whatever sign is there in between, we will put the same sign. So 8 plus 6 minus 10. Now 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 minus 10. 14 minus 10 is 4. See, again I am repeating this one. Here this is absolute value of minus 8, absolute value of minus 6, and absolute value of minus 10. Absolute value of minus 8 is 8. Absolute value of minus 6 is 6. And absolute value of minus 10 is 10. Because we have to remove this sign in order to find its absolute value. So whatever sign is there in between, that we have to put here. So 8 plus 6 minus 10. 8 plus 6 is 14. Now 14 minus 10 is 4. Now question number 6. Absolute value of 6 plus absolute value of minus 1 minus absolute value of 5. This is again a similar question. So absolute value of minus 6 is 6 plus absolute value of minus 1 is 1 minus absolute value of minus 5 is 5. See here, this minus sign is given outside this absolute value. This minus sign is not coming out here. So 6, this plus will come here, this becomes 1, this minus will come here, this becomes 5. So 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 minus 5 is 2. Now look at question number 7. Write the following integers in ascending order. So the first question is 14 minus 7 minus 13, 0, 6, minus 2, 13. We have to arrange these integers in ascending order. So we know that this ascending order means small to big. So the smallest integer is the negative ones. So we have to take the negative ones first. Now negative numbers here are minus 7, minus 13 and minus 2. Now out of these three negative numbers, which is the smallest negative integer? The smallest negative integer will be minus 13. How to determine if an integer is the smallest or the biggest? If the integer is on the leftward side on the number line, that means that integer is smaller. So if you compare minus 13, minus 7 and minus 2, minus 13 will be on the leftmost side, then minus 7 and then minus 2. So this is the smallest integer, then minus 7, then minus 2. In case of negative numbers, it is just the opposite of positive integers. If the number is greater, that means, and it contains a negative sign, that means that whole integer is small. So if you say minus 13 and minus 7, here, since this is a negative integer, normally 13 is greater than 7. But in case of negative integers, minus 13 will be less than minus 7. Because greater the negative number, greater the numeral part of negative number, the smaller that whole integer is. So minus 13, minus 7, minus 2, 0, 6, 14, 30. This is arranged in ascending order. Now let's move to question number 4. 37, minus 28, minus 15, 7, 23, minus 19, minus 6. Here again we have to see the negative ones, that is minus 28, minus 15, minus 19, minus 6. Out of these, the biggest numeral form is 28. So minus 28 will be the smallest number. In the same way, minus 19, minus 15, minus 6. This is arranged in ascending order. After that, 7, 23 and 37.